Waxing your car is a simple and effective way to protect its paint and give it a shiny, mirror-like finish. Not only does waxing make your car look good, but it also helps to protect the paint from dirt, water, and other harmful elements. Here are simple steps to wax your car and make it shine like a mirror. Start by rinsing off dirt and dust using a hose or pressure washer. Use a gentle car wash soap and a sponge or wash mitt to scrub the surface. Clean every area, including the wheels and tires. Make sure to dry the car completely with a microfiber towel to avoid water spots. A clean surface ensures that the wax will bond better with the paint and give you a smoother, shinier finish. There are different types of waxes available, such as liquid wax, paste wax, and spray wax. Liquid wax is easy to apply and works well for beginners. Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax is a quick and easy-to-use liquid wax that delivers a deep, wet shine and smooth finish. Made with natural carnauba, it protects your car's paint from UV rays, dirt, and water spots. Start by applying the wax to a small section of the car. Use a foam applicator pad or a clean microfiber towel to apply the wax in circular motions. Do not use too much wax, just a thin, even layer is enough. Work on one panel at a time, moving quickly so the wax doesn't dry out before you buff it. After applying the wax, let it dry for a few minutes. Once the wax has dried, use a clean, dry microfiber towel to buff the surface. Rub the towel in small, circular motions to remove any excess wax and bring out the shine. Buff each section until it looks smooth and glossy. Make sure there are no streaks left behind. After buffing, take a step back and look at your car from different angles. If you notice any spots that need more wax, apply a small amount and buff again. If the shine is not as strong as you want, you can add a second layer of wax for an even more mirror-like finish. By following these simple steps, you will have a car that looks shiny, sleek, and well protected for months.